Hi, I'm Kathy Michael Sponheim, and I am a fourth-generation potato farmer, a part of Michael Family Farms in Urbana, Ohio. Today, I'm going to show you my favorite way to make the perfect baked potato using my Instapot. First things you need to do is just measure out 1 cup of water and have your favorite potatoes by your side. To put them in the Instapot, you want to use a fork to poke them. Now, to get your Instapot ready, they call it a trinket or a steaming rack. Well, I call this your nifty potato holder. You're gonna put that in first, and then take your cup of water, put it in the bottom, take your poached potatoes, arrange them on the rack, put your lid on, ensure that your vent is moved to seal, and then we're gonna put it on high pressure for 20 minutes. All right, once your potatoes are done in the Instapot and your pressure has been released, open the lid. They will be warm, so use your tongs, grab your perfect baked potato, and our favorite way to eat them is to put some pulled pork on them. So I like to cut, squeeze, and then add some leftover pulled pork. You can dress it up with several other toppings as well, but this is a quick, easy weeknight meal. Hope you enjoy!